I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside the Health app because this is the only way to create an iPhone medical ID. Open Health, tap Medical ID, then Edit, enter your legal name and DOB first so records match. Next, add critical data like blood type, allergies, chronic conditions, and current medications. Include emergency contacts with relationship and phone numbers. Once done, make sure emergency access is enabled so first responders can see the information from the lock screen without your passcode. You now focus on the complex middle steps that determine usefulness. Fill medication names and doses because shorthand can confuse providers. Add allergies and specify reactions, hives, anaphylaxis, or mild, so treatment choices are clear. Use the medical notes field for implant dates, advanced directives, or chronic condition specifics. Once done, verify contact numbers and relationship labels. Inaccurate contacts are useless. Make sure you toggle Show when locked on so responders can access the medical ID. Complete the process by tapping Done, and then you should test visibility from the lock screen immediately. Lock the iPhone, then tap Emergency, then Medical ID. This exact path must show your information. If it does not, unlock and confirm Show when locked is turned on in Medical ID settings. If still hidden, update iOS and retry because system bugs can block access. If contacts or details are wrong, edit and retest until the lock screen Medical ID reliably displays essential information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.